Hi, I'm Mark. We've been prepping our Duesenberg Model J for the London Classic Car Show in February. But thought you might be quite interested to find out some unique features with it that were ahead of their time in 1931. Okay, right, we're inside our Duesenberg. This is one of the unique features back in 1931. You have a maximum brake, a minimum brake. So if the road conditions are dry and you want to push on a bit, you've got maximum braking, and then you can adjust the pressure of the brakes for rain, snow and ice. Back in 1931, I would imagine that was quite an amazing feature on a modern car then. Right, we're at the back of the Duesenberg now, and it has one tail light which combines everything. So in here we have a red side light, a reverse light, and if you can just make out round the outside there, it actually says stop, which lights up when you apply the brakes. Okay, we've opened the bonnet on the Duesenberg now. Just one thing under here that's quite interesting is down here there's an actual oil level marker. Most people do it on the dash nowadays, but back then you could just lift the bonnet, have a quick look, make sure you had enough oil before you went on your journey. It's twin cam straight 8, so it's lots of torque, and obviously doesn't go very high, but it will pull a house down if you wanted it to. We got up to 15 miles an hour.
What's it feel like to drive it?
Very special actually. It's quite, like I said yesterday, it's quite an honour to be allowed to have a play in it and work on it.